Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to cover 5 tips and tricks on beard itch and 1 bonus hack on how to get rid of beard itch if beard products aren't doing it for you. The 5 things are: 1. Why is your beard itchy? 2. When should you start using beard oil? 3. What product should you use? 4. How often should you apply? And 5. How much should you apply? So why is your beard itchy? Well, your beard is itchy for a few reasons. For one, it's because the skin under the beard is dry or flaky. And this is what everyone says when they're talking about beard itch and what causes it. But really, if your skin is dry and flaky, then how come your beard isn't itchy when you don't have a beard? Well, that's because there's some other things that cause beard itch as well. So if you're regularly washing your face and you don't fully wash all the product out of your beard, there's going to be some remnants in there that are going to further dry out your skin or dry out your beard that are going to cause beard itch. But there's also the fact that when your beard starts growing out, it's very coarse and thick. So, when you go and you do things like rub your face, you're actually pushing the hairs back into your skin, which cause further irritation. Now, I took this boar bristle brush and I cut a couple pieces off of varied lengths, so one really short one and one longer one, to kind of show you what you're doing to your skin with your beard when you're touching your beard when it's shorter to cause irritation. So here's a smaller piece of boar bristle, which could, it's similar to what your beard hair would be like, maybe not quite as thick, but you'll notice if I try to press down with my fingers, it's not moving very much and it's just actually pushing right back into my skin, which hurts and can cause irritation. And now if I take a longer piece of hair, you'll notice that it is flexible, it bends, it doesn't poke my finger. So, these are the kind of things that when your hair is shorter and coarse and thick and, it's not long enough for gravity to, push it down, you're pushing it into your skin when you're touching your face and you're playing with your beard. So some things that you need to do is soften up that coarse hair by using beard oil. So when should you start using beard oil? Well, if you've decided that you are going to grow a longer beard, I highly recommend that you start using beard oil within the first couple of days and just kind of keep continuing using them. If you don't start at that early phase, you are going to have beard itch anywhere from a week to 3 weeks into growing your beard, and it's going to be really tough to get rid of. How often should you apply beard oil? You should be applying beard oil 2 to 3 times a day if you're serious about getting rid of or preventing that beard itch. And how much should you apply? Well, in these early stages, you probably don't need more than 1 or 2 drops of beard oil every time that you're applying. But of course, everyone's beard and everyone's skin is different. So if you notice that you start getting a little bit more outbreaks in the skin, some more zits, you're probably applying too much beard oil. So at that point, you're going to want to cut it down a little bit from there. So what products should you use in terms of beard oil? Well, I'm not going to do a full review today, but I'm going to introduce you to 2 companies, one that's on the lesser price scale and one that's a little bit higher. So one company that I like to buy beard oil from and other beard products is a company called Beard Club, and this is their oil and comes in a 0.6 ounce bottle, and it costs $1 plus shipping. Now, one important thing to know about these guys is it is a subscription service, so you sign up and whatever you ordered last time is what you're going to get in a month's time, but you can actually defer your next order to as far as a year out, really, if you wanted to. So that's the great thing about this subscription service, is you really have 100% control over when products are sent to you. This is more of a medium weight oil, so it's certainly not cheap in terms of quality. The other company that I like to go with is Artius Man. They have really thick, nice beard oils. They have a ton of great scents. So this is one that I would really recommend. I'm going to put a link in the description below for both of these companies on where you can purchase these guys. But Artius Man comes out with a really thick oil. Their bottles range from $14.95 to $19.99, and that's for a 1 ounce bottle. Now for the bonus hack, if your beard is already itchy and you didn't start using beard oil from the onset, then something that you can use, and this stuff is great. It will get rid of your beard itch within 30 minutes. You only have to apply it maybe 2-3 times a day, and it'll keep your skin moisturized and your beard soft. And so this is something that I use when my beard gets so itchy that nothing is helping, and that usually happens if I forget to use beard oil from the onset. So the product I'm talking about here is actually a moisturizer called Cetaphil. You can tell it's been used a few times. You can purchase it at Walmart or any other big box store, grocery store even. But if you're like me and you're just going out to buy something like this, you can actually also buy it on Amazon. So I'll pop a link in the description for that as well if you want to just purchase it on Amazon. It's roughly the same price. If you missed it last week, you should also check out my video on how I did a straight razor shave. So this is the first week of growth for me, and we're going to continue to make videos every week, and I'm going to talk about beard growth, how to maintain your beard, what kind of products to use, and we'll do some beard reviews along the way. So for the question of the day, I'm going to ask you guys, what products do you use to help get rid of your beard itch? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.